So you said the carburetor leaks?
Comes piddling. You would see the trail, but I cleaned it. Comes peeing out right here. Okay. Not out of that screw per se, but that's where it travels. You want me to pour some gas in it?
Oh, there's no gas in it?
No.
Yeah, it's closed all the way.
That was the location it was coming.
Looks like there's a cover over a thing right there.
Who knows why, yeah.
What's that? Why is it? Oh, it is covered. It's like an exposed white wire. Boy, that's really not really good at all, is it?
No.
What happened there? What does that go to anyway?
Could it be the injector that's been bypassed?
A fuel cutoff?
Oil injection?
And I don't see no gas coming out yet. Okay, it's still taking more, so.
How can you tell?
Because it's moving in the pipe. Okay, it looks like it's getting wet in one spot. Right there. Looks like it's getting moist right there. It's seeping, it's seeping. I can see it's visibly wet. It's wet across the whole edge. Yeah, that's probably toast. Probably could put some RTV on it. Get all the dirt off it. That'll make the job easier. Take it apart, because you're gonna need to take it apart anyway. Oh, I wouldn't stand too close.
That's
Gonna get some gristle on you. Alright, probably should take the seat off and see if we need to spray it some more, but it's really hard to get highlight and really get up in there now. Look at it. Alright, let's see. Oh, except for the sun's right in the way. Wow, look at that there carburetor. Alright, let's give her another squirt with the air. So that's why I can just aim for the cup like this and just, you know, let's take a look at it. Probably can just back it up with RTV. And that should hold it until you can get another kit to put in there, but you'll have to kind of take a little wire brush to it probably. Scrape it off. I don't know if we can really take the carburetor apart. The fuel line's too stiff. Like, it's like solid plastic. We're gonna need to get some new fuel line.
Here's some.
Look at black, 1/4 inch, that'll work. Well, once I pull this off, we can drain this back into your tank, your fuel tank. The stuff out of the carb, it's kind of hard to drain that into a fuel tank.
Oh, backsplash.
Would you like a fill-up, sir?
You may want to tilt the bike so the rest goes into the... There's two sides of that tank.
Oh, okay.
It's split.
Well, we're gonna have to do a double tip here then. So we'll just turn it off. We'll tip it over again.
Here, let me move that cup.
All the way over. I think we're done draining this, right?
I think
Close
so.
it. The more the merrier. Yeah, get her up in the air there. Let me just go. Alright. Okay. I hope that one for the choke and one for the carburetor. Yep, just like I thought. Two little slidey things with springs. And a little needle. So now all I have to do is take off this little thing right here. Should pull the carb out. It's got a nut in the back of it. There we go. Alright, so we want to clean this and then take that apart probably. Kind of almost need to give this thing a bath. Alright, well, this is what I want to do this one up on the bench. Alright. We just want it to be not too tall. Just gonna do the whole thing. Alright, now we need some type clean solution. Usually let the gas just get rid of a little bit here. Now, okay. There.
Clear gas, non-oxy.
Yeah, that's good. Oh, looks like you got most of it there. Okay, we're gonna have to go outside and give her a spray here. The problem is this seal that goes all the way around there is probably bad. Alright, and that's the seal that's probably leaking out of this cardboard one. Otherwise, our other option is to try to RTV that up with silicone. It'll probably stop it leaking for a while, but then when you have to go to put the new one on, you're going to have to like take a little wire brush and like...
There's two of them.
And there's a tiny one right there. I see it. I can see daylight through that one too.
Okay,
this
good.
This is an adjustment to set the depth, which is the idle.
Yeah, they're clear.
So they're clear. That's... we'd already agreed the carburetor worked beforehand, so...
Yeah, it did work.
I almost really want to put silicone on both sides of it, except for that little hole right there, which is a vent hole of some type. Just give it a little... Found some 800 grit. It's a little milder on the aluminum because we don't really want to get rid of a whole bunch of it. But it'll open it up enough for the silicone to hopefully stick better than being completely oxidized. Doing the oil change here. Apparently it takes some 10W30, so we just gotta take that little oil plug out there where
it's dripping.
It's dripping. We already got it loose. Just gonna drop this into the pan. Looks like some clean oil. Let's see.
My guess is there's hardly any in it.
It looks pretty clear. Well, it's black, blackish colored. On the bottom, at least. Nope, that looks like plenty to me. Yeah, it looks pretty decent, I think.
It's not terrible.
There we go, it's almost done. Alright, so get the oil rolling. Gotta finish up the carb and then do the fuel line. Alright, carburetor here. Alright, so this is all happy here. We just gotta slap some RTV on there. We'll just butter the gasket with it and then slap the gasket on there. I think that's the best approach. Alright, we got to put the float back in, so we just, there we go. Carb is back together enough to be RTV'd. We don't want to go through the hole, but that's a hole that goes around there. We don't want to like cover up any important holes or nothing. We'll just put the RTV on there and hopefully get it in one go. Just want to try to avoid getting it on that thing too. Just go like this, basically. And that kind of puts enough on there just to get it wet. That's all we want. We don't want to drop it on there, otherwise it'll ooze out. Gosh, this brings back memories. You don't know how many oil pans I've had to do with this stuff. And this has got a specific smell to it too. I don't know if you notice. It's got like a metallic kind of smell to it. It smells different than the other RTV. Now, see, this is the part where I can't get it. I can't do it unless my hands are dirty. So I'll just do both sides. Hurry up and just do the last corner real quick. So no matter which way I move the thing, my hands are getting dirty for all this stuff here. I have to touch it.
Now you don't know which way was up or down.
It only goes on one way.
Some anti.
We'd only like to do it once, thank you. And so this side gets the rubber O-ring seal thing. Goes in there like that. And the little plastic thing goes in there too. Just like that when we got it.
Yeah.
Yeah, we should probably zip tie these wires, put these wires up here or something.
Yeah.
Okay, and the screw is on the other side.
See if this choke moves. I'm sorry.
Yes, it's going in. There we go. Let's see.
As always, we thank you for listening. Amateur Radio Newsline is copyright 2020.
That's one of a kind there.
Yeah, it's split wide open there, see? Yeah, we're gonna have to take it off because I can't force the tube onto it without destroying it. Alright. I'm going with this is good right here because it's not kinking and we got plenty of mojo. So we got it almost all the way back together. Just got to put a zip tie on there. You can feel line in right there. Then we need to zip tie this up there like that with this other stuff and then we'll be set pretty much. Oh, right through the gas line. There you go. There, yep, that's right where it should be, I think.
Where's the petcock?
Oh man.
Get at it.
Yeah, pull it back off again. I think we got something going on here. It's not gonna work. We need it right there.
Oh, you got stacks.
Green, no, what are you talking about, dog? I just got one, dude. There's only one. That's it. Has to be a regular screwdriver too, wouldn't you know? So next time around, it's slightly smaller than 1/4 inch. Alright, so it's all put back together and hopefully it'll eventually work once we get the oil back in it. Awesome. So it's 300 mils, there's 100. You need to pour down to where it says 6.5 because it's at 9.5 now, so. Oh man, I gotta get that. Yeah, what's up? Really? Then you have to... Yeah, it can sometimes crash like that. That's about right, yeah, we're good enough. So if you got any issues doing that, give me a call, okay? Hello? 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 Well, he was on the line.